Good morning, San Francisco.
Good morning!
I'm Tim Farnham with Black Label Real Estate, and this is your Monday morning market update. As of this morning, there are 1,272 homes available in San Francisco. This is up 32 from last week. Contingent homes were down by 26 to 139, and new homes were down by 56 to 171. In the condo market, we have 404 listings in the under $1 million segment and 552 homes in the over $1 million segment, which is up by 17 from last week. New listings are down by 3 and 13 to 43 and 65 respectively. Price reductions increased in both segments to 32 and 43. Pending listings also increased by about 10% to 38 and 47. Days on market are steadily rising up to 41 days in the under $1 million segment and to 32 days in the over $1 million segment. Sale price to list price of newly priced homes are up a bit in the under $1 million segment to 7% above list price, and it remained at 11% above list price in the over $1 million segment. In the single-family home market, listings were down by 3 in the under $1 million segment, but up by 11 to 165 in the $1 to $2 million segment. New homes are down by 4 to 4 in the under $1 million segment and down by 23 to 38 in the $1 to $2 million segment. Pending listings remained the same in the under $1 million segment, but are down significantly in the $1 to $2 million segment by 20 to 32. Sales price to list price fell in both segments this last week, down from 9% above ask to 3% above ask in the under $1 million segment, and down 2% to 17% above ask in the $1 to $2 million segment. In the luxury market, we saw an increase in availability in the $2 to $3 million segment by 7 to 45, and in the over $3 million segment, it remained at 78 listings. New homes were down by 1 in the $2 to $3 million segment by 1 to 13, but down by 10 to 8 in the over $3 million segment. Price reductions and price decreases were fairly balanced, but there was a decrease in the sale price to list price in the $2 to $3 million segment from 21% above ask to 16% above ask, while in the over $3 million segment, there was an increase from 9% to 12% above ask. As for the buyer indicators, what we are seeing is a continuation of the migration from condos to single-family homes. For example, there was another increase in price reductions from 78 to 85, which is following the upward trend that started in April. However, of the 85 homes with price reductions, 75 were in condos. Additionally, when we look at homes with price increases, only 7 were condos, but there were 9 single-family homes. Also, the days on market for single-family homes was only 13 days, whereas for condos, it's 32 days, showing that the market for single-family homes is just as strong as it has been, but there is a definite pullback in condo buyers. Overall, listings were down a bit, condo sales are weakening, but single-family homes are still a very hot commodity. Thank you for joining me for this Monday morning market update. Subscribe to this channel to stay informed on market conditions. And as always, feel free to message me directly if you're curious about what your home is worth or wondering if buying into this market is the right move for you and your family.